Hey, what's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to be talking about 5 websites that you can make $100 per day from home. All right, so I want you guys to watch this video till the end because it's going to be packed with value. I'm going to go over everything, so make sure you grab a pen, make sure you grab paper, or even if you want to stop the video and write things down, but make sure you watch the entire video because there's going to be a lot in there. So if this is your first time to my channel, I just want to say welcome. My name is Andre, and what I'm going to be sharing with you, and on this channel I talk about how to make money online, affiliate marketing, and there's a ton of different things that I speak about on this channel so I could help you guys out because I know sometimes it's hard to find money. So anyways, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button as well, and make sure you drop in the comments and let me know where you guys are watching this from because I always want to know how far these videos are broadcasting. All right, so I'm going to share my screen. I'm going to show you guys how you can make $100 per day online from home. So the first website that I'm going to jump into, right, this one is called Peerflow, P-E-R-Y P-E-R-F-L-Y. All right, there you go. I think I need a new mouth today. But check this out, right? If you guys look through here, they have a ton of different, right? You can be an affiliate or you can be an advertiser. You can become an affiliate for the company or you can become an advertiser. Excuse me. So as you can see, they're backed by huge corporations and huge companies. So in this one, all you got to do, if you want to become an affiliate, you just click on here and you just sign up and apply right here, and it's going to tell you, you know, you need to fill out your name, your last name. It's going to ask you for company name. You can probably just put your name if you want, email address, all that kind of stuff. So on here, they're probably going to call you by phone, or they're going to set up like a Skype quick 5-minute meeting to get you approval. And then from there, you could just start to advertise for them. So they have like different products and services on here that you can advertise. And they have lots of different ways how you can earn, you know, at least $100 per day. And there's products on there that you can sell and you can make $100 or even more just by getting a commission from there as well. So check it out, see how everything works. It's a great platform and they have a lot of different products that you can advertise on there. All right, so let's jump into the next one. So this is another website. I probably talked about this in my previous video, but I definitely want to, you know, talk about it again because many people don't realize that you can actually teach English. So you can sign up and you can teach kids how to speak English in various, so as you can see, it's a work from home, right? You can work remotely and you can make anywhere between $16 to $20 per hour, right? Each session is 30 minutes. So you can easily make over $100 per day. It depends on your schedule. So if you're someone who is work a 9 to 5 and you want to create your own schedule, flexible hours, well, I don't know, maybe you could bang out, let's say 5 hours after work and, you know, put some work in just before time or before work, because remember, there's like different time zones as well. So it all depends where you're going to teach these kids. And it's overseas. So if you're on the East Coast like me, you're behind. Or I think everybody's behind time of everyone overseas if you're from the US or Canada. But there's going to be a huge time difference there. So you can apply, as you can see, just click on here, apply, put your email, your password, you sign up, and then you can get things rocking and rolling. All right, so that's a great website how you can make at least over $100 a day at home. The next website I'm going to be talking about, right? Remember, stay till the end because I'm going to go through the entire thing and make sure that this video is jam-packed. Warrior Plus. So Warrior Plus is a great platform that they have various products and services. As you can see, they have top-notch products powerful tracking. They have thousands of affiliates, and everybody know that I do affiliate marketing as well. And if you guys want to learn more about affiliate marketing, feel free to check out. I leave a link down below. There's a YouTube video that I've created about affiliate marketing. So if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, check out that video in the description. And if you want my #1 recommendation as well, feel free to hit that. You will see a link down there with my #1 recommendation. So Warrior Plus is a great platform that you can check out. And Warrior Plus is basically the same as JVZoo, right? It's an affiliate marketing network, and they have like digital products like online marketer. There's like it's a hub of where people go, and instead of them going out and pay the billboards or TVs or radio station and all that stuff, they come to this place and they say, you know what? By the way, I want you guys to find the best of the best to advertise my product and services, and I will pay those people a percentage or a commission. You can earn anywhere between 5% and let's say 35%. It all depends on. So make sure you do your research on this and just check it out. All right, so the next website I'm going to be talking about, guys, is IWriter. So you can go on here and you can write blogs. So this one, you got to be on top of your game. You got to make sure that your writing skill is on point, right? And if you want to, you can write a content on here. I think they have like pricing, right? So if you look on here, like, look at this, like 4,000 words is like $31. 3,000 words is $23.25. So you can contact them, or you can order content, and I think you could, sign up for free. As you can see, sign up for free, create a free account, and they will pay you how to do writing. Well, not pay you how to do writing, but if you're already a writer, you can use your skills, right? As you can see, it seems like it's international. Yeah, there you go. So all my international friends, you can sign up for this. As you can see, there's like Botswana, there's China, there's Cameroon. Maybe your country is here, right? Even my home countries. I'm originally from Jamaica. It's on there as well. They have Iran, they have Iraq. So look through here, IWriter, right? So you can sign up for free, create an account, and start getting paid, because they will pay you for writing. Why IWriter is used by, as you can see, 24,000 plus people, because they have an article written for us as little as like $1.40. So it all depends how much words you're going to be writing. And remember, as fast as 30-minute turnaround. So again, you got to be quick. You got to be fast about your typing, because, there's people out there that need their content to go out like right away. So you got to get on top of that. So if you're a writer, that's a great place for you to go. And the final website that I'm going to be talking about is Legendary Marketer. It's a great company, and I will always stand behind this company because it's a great educational platform which teaches entrepreneur how to grow and scale your business. So this one is definitely not free. That's the only one that's not free that I just listed. However, you could sign up and you can get trained by one of our top coaches. I'm a coach as well, so you can also, it's always good to have me as a coach. So if you want to learn from somebody good, why not from your coach, Andre? So make sure you check that out. And as you can see, they have, lots of different products and about us. They teach you everything. This is the mission about Legendary Marketer. Legendary Marketer is rolling out something completely amazing within the next few weeks from today watching this video. So it's probably be out by the time you get to this video, but make sure you check it out. There's a link down in the description. And if you want to know more about information, remember, you can add me on Instagram, shoot me a message on Facebook, or just let me know that you want to learn more about Legendary Marketer. Again, so this video is about how you can make at least $100 per day online. And if you really want to learn the skill set, Legendary Marketer will teach you how to promote any affiliate links or any affiliate marketing company there is out there, including Amazon. So you're learning how to become a marketer. And once you learn the skills of how to become a marketer, then you can basically market anything. All right. So I hope this video helps. And let me know where you guys are watching this from. Remember, like, subscribe, smash that like button, and make sure you turn on that bell notification so you can get more videos. Have a great day, great night, or whatever time you're watching this. Peace. Andre. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.